Hi, my name is Nur Atika Hani binti Muhammad Hatta. So, what is definition of differentiation? Differentiation is derivative. The derivative is the core of calculus. The derivative is a function's instantaneous rate of change for one of its variables. That is equivalent to finding the tangent line slope at a point to the function. Differentiation helps one to determine rate of change. For example, it allows us to find the rate of velocity change, which is acceleration with respect to time. It also allows us to find the rate of change of x in respect to y, which is the gradient of the curve on a graph of y against x. Related rate is one of the application of differentiation. In differential calculus, related rates problems involve finding a rate at which a quantity changes by relating that quantity to other quantities whose rates of change are known. The rate of change is usually with respect to time. Related rates problem involve two or more variables that change at the same time, possibly at different rates. If we know how the variables are related and how fast one of them is changing, then we can figure out how fast the other one is changing. This usually involves writing an equation relating to two variables and taking the derivative of the equation with respect to time. Implicit differentiation is often used.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Hafiz bin Ahmad Muhyiddin. Okay, guys, have you ever thought why we apply related rates? It is because science and engineering often relate quantities to each other, and the methods of related rates have broad applications in these fields. Differentiation with respect to time or one of other variables requires application of the chain rule since most problems involve several variables. The next thing is where we apply related rates. Related rates problems are known for their real-life problems, but how real-life are they actually? Is there anyone out there ever think to calculate how snowballs melt or balloon is blown up? Related rates actually helps us to calculate these things. So instead of looking at these trivial things, let's look up for something bigger. Yes, space. Many countries conduct space operations using science, mathematics, and related rates to make this come true. Where is related rates involved? The answer is business. Businessmen need to know different variables that are connected to produce the best solution.